we guide you through how to check your call history on your Google account. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to your Google account dashboard by searching Google account and logging in with the account linked to your phone. Once you're in, navigate the data and privacy section, then scroll down until you find things you've done and places you've been and tap on My Activity. From here, you'll see full timeline of your activity. Now, to find your call history, specifically tap the filter option and select both Android or call and messaging if available. This will narrow down result to your call logs. You can also type keywords like call in the search bar to quickly locate entries. Each record may show details like time, duration, and contact depending on your device settings. If you don't see a call history, make sure your device backup and activity tracking are enabled. And that's your phone's link to your Google account